Candiners, we are open vacancies for European seafarers to join on board with our vessels, Roro vessels, Italian flag, and more than 20,000 gross ton. We are open for AB with 3,100 euro per month, and truck driver 3,300 euro per month, and electrician 3,300 euro per month. Must have Italian basic language and Italian fiscal code, but if you didn't have any Italian fiscal code, you can obtain it in the Italian embassy in your country if you are accepted. And also, if you didn't have any Italian knowledge, you can learn it. We will provide the learning material to learn Italian language. Thank you for your attention. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.